Hirap ka ba sa calculus? Tara, mag-solve tayo ng partial derivative. If z is equal to x squared y plus 4x plus 3y, find the partial derivative of z with respect to x and the partial derivative of z with respect to y. So, kung mapapansin natin, we have three variables, di ba? Z as the dependent variable, while yung x and y are the independent variables. So, ang technique lang naman sa partial derivative ay kapag with respect to x, iti-treat natin as constant yung y. Kapag with respect to y naman, iti-treat natin as constant yung x. Tara, isolve na natin. So, ang given function natin ay x squared y plus 4x plus 3y. So, una na natin kukunin yung partial of c with respect to x. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung derivative ng x squared y with respect to x. And then, ito rin, yung 4x. And then, itong 3y. Okay? So, sa first term, mag-apply tayo ng product rule, di ba? So, sa product rule, copy x squared, then times derivative ng y, di ba? Plus copy y times derivative naman ng x squared. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin ito. Isa-isa. Okay? Plus derivative naman ng 3y. Okay, ngayon, be careful with respect to x tayo. Kaya yung y, iti-treat natin as constant. So, ito ay x squared. So, anong derivative ng y with respect to x? 0, di ba? Plus y times derivative ng x squared with respect to x. So, 2x yon. Ito naman, 4x, 4. Derivative ng 3y ay 0 kasi tinitreat natin as constant yung y. So, we have x squared times 0, 0 yon. So, this is equal to 2xy plus 4. So, yan na po yung partial derivative of z with respect to x. Next, partial derivative of z with respect to y. So, we have derivative with respect to y naman tayo x squared y plus derivative naman ng 4x with respect to y plus derivative ng 3y with respect to y. Okay? Of course, kapag sanay na kayo sa pag-solve nito, no need to, na isa-isayin ito. Pwede nang diretsong isolve. So, for the sake of, beginner and para mas clear ang solution natin, iniisa-isa ko na. Okay? So, product rule ulit tayo. So, copy x squared times derivative ng y with respect to y. Plus y times derivative of x squared with respect to y. Plus, copy muna natin, 4x plus derivative ng 3y with respect to y. Now, we have x squared. So, ang derivative ng y with respect to y ay 1. Okay? Ito, derivative ng x squared with respect to y, magiging 0 yon, di ba? Y times 0. Kasi yung x ay tinitreat as constant. So, 0 ito. Plus, ito ay 0 ulit, Kasi ang x ay tinitreat as constant. While ito, ang derivative nito ay 3. So, the answer is x squared plus 3. Okay? I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, comment, and share. And subscribe. Thank you so much.